Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let's we discuss about SAP question and answer. What is Material Master Data in SAP Answer: Material Master Data in SAP is a central repository that contains all the informations about materials that an organization producer produce, stores and sales. It includes details such as material description, dimensions, unit of measure, storage location, pricing and other relevant attributes. Why is Material Master Data important in SAP Answer: Material master data is essential because it forms the basis for all procurement, production, and inventory management process in SAP Accurate and up-to data, material master data ensures the transaction are processed correctly. Inventory levels are maintained accurately and reportingly is reliable. What are the different views in Material Master Data? Answer: in SAP Material Master Data contains of various views, each containing specific information about the material. Common views include Basis Data 1, General Basis Data. Second, Purchasing Sales, General Planned Accounting 1, and Material Requirements Planning. How do you maintain consistency in material master data across different system or business units? Answer: to ensure consistency in material master data, organizations often implement master data governance process. MDG involves defining data stands, establishing workflows for data creation and maintenance, and implementing data qualities control. Additionally, SAP provides tools like SAP MDG for centralized management for master data across the enterprise. What is vendors master data in SAP Answer: vendor master data in SAP contains information about the vendors or suppliers that an organization interacts with for procurement purpose. It includes details such as vendor's name, address, contact informations, payment terms, and purchasing organization data. What is the significance of maintaining accurate vendors master data in SAP Answer: accurate vendors master data is crucial for efficient procurement process in SAP It ensures that purchase orders are sent to the correct vendors, invoice are proceed accurately and communication with vendors is smooth. Additionally, it helps in vendors evaluation and performance monitoring. How do you ensure data quality in material and vendors master data? Answer: data quality in material and vendor master data can be ensured through regular data cleansing, validation checks and data governance process. Automated checks can be set up to validate data entries against predefined standards, and manual reviews can be conducted to identify and correct any discrepancies. What are some best practices for managing material and vendors master data in SAP Answer: establish clear data governance policies and producers. Implement data validation rules and automated checks. Regularly review and update master data to ensure accuracy. Provide training to users on data entire stands and producers. Utilize tools like SAP MDG for centralized master data management. Monitor data quality metric and performance indicators regularly. What is the significance of maintaining accurate material master data for MRP? Material Requirements Planning in SAP MM. Answer. Accurate material master data is essential for MRP in SAP MM as it provides information on material requirements, lead times, and procurement parameters. MRP uses this data to calculate the demand for materials, create procurement proposals such as purchase requisitions, and ensure timely availability for materials for production. How does Material Master Data support inventory optimization in SAP MM? Answer. Material master data contains critical information such as reorders level, safety stock levels, and storage location details, which are used to optimize inventory levels in SAP MM. By setting appropriate inventory parameters in the material master, organizations can ensure accurate stocks level while minimizing excess inventory and carrying cost. What are the different material types available in Material Master Data in SAP MM and how are they used? Answer. SAP MM supports various material types including raw materials, finished goods, trading goods, spare parts, and consumables. Each material type has specific attributes and usage scenarios. For example, raw materials are used in production process, while finished goods are products ready for sale. By assigning the correct material type, organization can manage material efficiently within SAP MM. How do you extend material master data to different organizational levels in SAP MM, such as plants and storage locations? Answer. Material master data can be extended to different organizational level in SAP MM using the organizational data views by maintaining plant specific data and storage location specific data in the material master. Organizations can ensure the material requirements, store levels, and procurement parameters and manage effectively at each location. What are info records in SAP MM and how do they relate to material master data? Answer. Info records, information records in SAP MM are used to maintain purchasing related information for materials and vendors. They contain details such as purchasing conditions, delivery schedules, and vendor specific data. Info records are linked to material master data and are used during the procurement process to determine the source of supply and purchasing information for materials. How does material master data impact reporting and analytics in SAP MM? Answer. Material master data serves as the foundation for reporting and analytics in SAP MM. By analyzing material master data, attributes such as consumption patterns, lead times, and procurement costs, organizations can gain insights into their procurements and inventory management process. This information enables informed decision making and optimization of supply chain operations. What role does data governance play in ensuring the quality and consistency of material master data in SAP MM? Answer. Data governance is critical for ensuring the quality, consistency, and integrity of material master data in SAP MM. It involves defining data standards, establishing data ownership and stewardship rules, implementing data validation rules, and enforcing data quality controls. By adhering to data governance principle, organization can maintain accurate and reliable master data for their procurement and inventory management process. How can organization leverage SAP MDG master data governance to streamline material master data management in SAP MM? Answer: SAP MDG provides a centralized platform for managing master data across the enterprise, including material master data in SAP MM. Organizations can use SAP MDG to define data governance policies, streamline data creation and maintenance process, enforce data quality checks, and ensure compliance with regularity requirements. By implementing SAP MDG, organizations can improve the accuracy, consistency, and integrity for their material master data. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.